What's up guys, Johnny here, welcome back. Today we are out here in Detroit for our 2022 Multi-GP Global Qualifier, except we're bringing a bit of a twist out here today. So I'm a big fan of trying to be inclusive in drone racing. I want drone racing to be open to everyone who wants to come out and have a great time at our racing events, and we're always trying to think of new ways to find and make it fun for every pilot that shows up, from the top of the leaderboard to the bottom of the leaderboard. And one thing that I really was interested in is this concept of doing maybe team racing, getting people who maybe don't usually win at our events a chance to win by being on the winning team. And my partner in crime, Jeff PV over here, my co-organizer in Detroit, had this great idea where he said, you know what, maybe if we just take all the times from one team and combine them and put that against another team and combine those times, and the fastest times combined are going to result in the team that wins. So that's what we're doing out here. We're doing an official multi-GP qualifier, but we're also doing it as our first ever combined team race. So I'm really excited about this. I want to see how it goes. We're gonna have two of our pilots get chosen as captains. They're gonna get to pick the pilots that are on their team, and then we're gonna track the results throughout the day. And at the end of the day, we're gonna get some winners out there and some great prizes. Now, I reached out to some companies about potentially helping us out with this. We wanted to have prizes for the team that won. We thought that'd make it more fun. And when I spoke to Harvey over at Foxeer, he absolutely loved the idea and said Foxeer wanted to help out. So thank you very much to Foxeer. They're actually sponsoring this race here in Detroit for us, so we can bring this great idea out and bring as much fun as we can to our pilots. So really appreciate that, Foxeer. Me personally, the Foxeer cameras on my analog quads, I'm running Foxeer cameras. On my builds where my most common ESC that I run is actually the Foxeer Reaper. They make absolutely great products. We got some products here that we're gonna be giving out, so pilots will be real happy about that. So can't say enough great things about Foxeer, but thank you very much to Foxeer for sponsoring us here. Make sure to reach out to them if you're interested in picking up an ESC flight controller cameras. They make good stuff and they support drone racing, so thank you, Foxeer. Anyway, we're about to get ready, going, picking our teams and seeing how things go, and we'll talk to our pilots about how they enjoy today. All right, we're doing our team picks. We got Team Bar Down and Team Roboland. Team Bar Down, you get your first pick in our draft here.
Beast mode.
Beast mode. All right, Beast mode's on Team Bar Down. Team Roboland.
You.
All right, I'm on Team Roboland. Pick 3, Bar Down.
Cappy.
Cappy, all right, who you want? Robo. Take Jeff. Take Jeff. Because I'm on his team, I want to win, bro.
You're gonna win. You got coming over here too.
No, I don't. Terry's on that team.
Jeff. Yeah, let's go with Ricky. Craig.
Good pick. I could have talked you to that one.
Marcus.
Really?
Of course, you're an OG. You, sir.
Jordan.
All right.
I got two more.
Right there, young man.
There we go.
All right, you're us.
What's your name, buddy? Yeah.
Ryan, nice to meet you, buddy.
I'm Rob. Nice to meet you.
I said losing is winning. Flies on the USD.
All right, Team Robo!
Let's go, Robo! Yeah. All right, teams are all picked and set. I got to enter them in the spreadsheet. I'm going to get ready to go.
Roboland 20.8. Bar down 31.6. February 2022.
How you feeling about your team?
Well, I'm holding them back, that's for sure. But other than that, I think we're going to be pretty solid once we get things going here and get consistent.
No. There's no holding back. We're a team.
Yeah. It would help if my team members stopped like taking me out midair, you know.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah, that's my story. I'm
A
sticking
little bit
to
of
it.
team rivalry rift already,
Yeah,
you guys,
maybe.
man, you know?
Yeah, a little bit, I think so. Feeling good, having a ball, man.
There you go. All right, guys, we got the format going on here. I was talking about where I'm doing the team racing. Checking the leaderboard right now, we got a 52.9 average versus a 52.6. That's actually the biggest gap we've seen so far today through 6 rounds of racing, which I'm really excited about that. So we've seen a couple of back and forth changes. I've been able to call out, when that happens. Congrats to this guy. So I really like seeing that, different guys are causing their teams to get out in front. So far we're having great racing. Really enjoying this format. Hopefully those guys are enjoying it too. And yeah, let's hope it just stays close throughout the rest of the day.
Don't do it with your controller. There you go.
Digging holes out here, Ari?
Dude, let him get a big pitch. Did you get a good
Oh.
shot of that? Holy
Bro.
mackerel. Dude, look at that hole. Wow.
Wow. That is something else. Now, Taurus, today was not just an individual race, but we're doing a team time trial as well. So we had Team Bar Down versus Team Roboland. On the ties for Team Roboland, we had Johnny Fly, GFPV, Roboland, Alien, Jordiel, and Pigeon Flies. That team put in an average time of 51.56. Not to be outdone, Team Bar Down, consisting of Beast Mode, Cappy 1, Ricky, Bar Down, Cool Whip, Ari, and Six Guy. They had a 49.891. 1.75 seconds ahead. Congratulations, Team Bar Down, taking the first ever team time trial race here in Detroit. Congratulations, Bar Down. All right, to our winning team, we do have prizes here, courtesy of Fox Heater. Okay, that was unexpected. Didn't realize we had a lot of fireworks for that victory. All right, so we do have prizes here, courtesy of Fox Heater. We got some great VTXs, flight controllers, and cameras. We have 6 prizes and 6 pilots receiving tickets. So the way this is going to work, we have 6 tickets. We're going to give them out, and then we're going to randomly select them. Whoever gets picked first gets their choice of prize, and we'll go from there. Congratulations, Team Bar Down. Nice.
Thank you.
There we go. We got one more. Who else?
I won?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
All right, first winner, we got 7-8.
Big Marcus with the win.
You know, you need the flight controller, bro. Why?
What'd you take?
You see?
Bro, come on.
Flight controller.
Small?
0-8-0.
Yeah, let's go.
He said he didn't want one. All right, 7-6.
Oh!
7-7.
All right, that's me.
7-9.
Oh.
Actually, it would have been one of those. It would have been,
Nice, nice. Terry, our winner of the day out here at our global qualifier. What'd you think of our format today at the team time trial?
Pretty interesting. Honestly, it was nice to switch it up and just kind of do something different. And I really like that, you know, the guys that aren't necessarily super fast are still contributing to the team. So that part was really cool. Could see everyone really get involved. So I really like that.
Cool, man. I think it was cool. Like, I think when you got your best time, your team was still in second. And it was everyone else lowering their times throughout the day to put your team out in first. So
Yeah,
that's pretty cool.
it was just awesome to see everyone kind of contributing to the team and everyone putting in their times to make, you know, us the winners today. So it was nice.
Yeah, bro, congrats.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Thank you.
All right, fellas. So what'd you think of our new race format today? Our team time trial.
That was fun. That was a cool little mix-up. I like just having a little second game going on in the background. Made just the running time trials a little more interesting, you know.
Yeah, very cool.
Definitely added an extra, a little bit of spice to the rest of the racing going on today, especially wasn't like against the other pilots. So it's definitely a good time.
You think it's something we should continue around here? Like, do not necessarily every race, but like this, or adopt like different models of the format? Maybe we do brackets and do some sort of team bracket thing. Like,
Yeah, it'd be cool. It'd be cool to see all the different iterations you can come up with.
oh, very cool,
there's
man.
a lot of ways to race other than just, you know, letter mains and, you know, double elimination brackets and, you know,
Yeah, for sure.
play with it, you know. It's fun.
Yeah, man. Well, thanks for coming out and race with us, man. Appreciate
yeah, thanks
it.
for having us. Appreciate us having us.
Marcus, what did you think of our format today?
I think the team format there at the end was awesome. Yeah.
Fun than a regular qualifier.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
More fun than a regular
yeah.
qualifier.
This makes it more fun because, like, yeah, exactly. Like, we're competing against each other, like, lightly. You know what I mean? And the times. Oh, it's great. It was a race between you and me and you too. Sometimes.
Yeah, man. Everyone made a difference. That's what I like.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was neat. Yeah.
It was great.
Yeah,
Your
I
thoughts,
liked that
Ari?
everyone. I just like that everyone made a difference. That was fun.
Oh, very
Yeah.
cool.
Mhm.
What do you think, winner?
Right here.
Yeah. Dude,
Well,
honestly,
yeah.
seriously, like, what was your time? What was your time last week at the practice GQ?
101.5.
And what was
I
it this
think.
week? Like a 52?
54.3
There you go.
or something.
Massive difference,
Yeah.
man.
Yeah.
What was,
But
how did you
thank-
drop
but
your
it's-
time like that?
You guys, you know, all the tips coming out and practicing. You know, it's been awesome. I mean, it's been an awesome experience coming out here. I was nervous at first, but everyone's welcoming except for Cappy. He's kind of you know, making friends and stuff, and you know, it makes me want to come out.
Dude, if you had your time from last week at this race, your team would have lost.
Yeah, by like
It was-
7 seconds.
Yeah, it was
Right,
the
so-
difference that you made that gave your team the win
Yeah.
today. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, so yeah, it's like everyone's giving me a little bit of advice, and it's all of it helps. And you know, a couple, 2 or 3 rounds kind of pulled it together a little bit, so it's exciting. You know, it's a blast. And Roboland, but Roboland will try to take me out all the time. So you know. I love that guy,
I
but
mean,
he's
you
kind
know,
of vicious.
he's on the other team though. He's
Yeah.
supposed to, so he's doing his job.
Yeah, banging bars and propellers and stuff. But it's always a good time.
Yeah, man. Congrats, man. Congrats,
Yeah,
Team
thank
Bar
you.
Down.
Thank you, guys.
You happy with your idea?
Yeah, I think it worked out really well. It's something that chapters can do to kind of bring a team element in without any of the mess that team racing can bring with it. It's something you can spring on your pilots right away at the beginning of the race and just say, all right, pick teams, kickball style, and it kind of brings this whole other element to, you know, the competition where you're not as worried about your personal performance, or you can be happy about that too, but if you do something that's contributing to your team and they're happy for you.
All right, what'd you think of the race format? I know your team didn't win, Robo, but what'd you think of the format?
I thought it was great. I thought it was inclusive. I thought it made everybody pay attention to everybody else's racing. It was a good time.
Nice.
I would like to see it at the other races too, besides this one.
That's what I want to know. Thank you very much.
Not a problem.
Sorry you didn't get the win, but congrats,
That's all right. I
man.
had a good time.
All right, guys, so there you have it. We finished up our race day here. Team Bar Down taking the big win. Just saw so many different pilots contributing out throughout the day. It was really cool seeing just different guys were improving their time that caused the team to get a little bit further ahead or to take the victory. And I really like seeing just different pilots contributing to the race. So I thought that was a huge success. Our pilots seemed to like it. You know, maybe your local chapters, talk to your organizer. Maybe you're an organizer yourself. Maybe you want to try a format like this. I just love seeing other types of racing that brings more people into the sport, and hopefully keep finding more ways to do this. We're going to keep thinking of other ways to include more and more pilots and find other ways for more pilots to take the wins at our local races, and we're just going to keep building on this. But hopefully you guys like this. Let me know what you thought of this format. Was it cool? Do you want to try it locally? Just let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Anyway, I'm going to check out right there, and I'll catch y'all next time. Peace!